next step. Okay, and last but definitely not the least, certificate of participation is proudly presented to the school heads from Master 4 studied by CIC Dr. Burla Lamsel.
Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, wala na yung pakpak, kindly give yourself a big round of applause. And lastly, as requested by Sir Manny, requesting all the CID personnel, SGOD personnel, and OSES to please
Liwat kainin mo, no?
the center for the photo
Liwat kainin mo.
opportunity. Parang iya ba yung video?
Nga ulit ta, sir.
Okay, ang nangyari sa lubangan, Sir Petering, ikaw na dyan una ng aming pila ka, Sir.